Have you ever wondered about the true purpose of knowledge? In today's world, information is abundant but often lacks meaning. Islam presents knowledge as a vital path to truth, faith, and moral excellence. This is captured beautifully in Shaykh-ul-Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir-ul-Qadri's enlightening book, Islamic Concept of Knowledge. It revives the Islamic philosophy of knowledge. Here, learning serves not just for power, but for spiritual growth, social unity, and closeness to Allah. First, let's understand the divine purpose of knowledge. Knowledge is a means to access the truth of existence. It helps us differentiate between right and wrong. This is fundamental for individual and societal growth. Next, we explore the balance between faith and reason. Islam encourages the pursuit of understanding. It does not pit faith against rational thought, but integrates them. This creates a holistic view of life. Now, consider how knowledge transforms both the soul and society. Educated individuals contribute positively to their communities. Embrace the essence of knowledge and its divine purpose. Read Islamic Concept of Knowledge today and transform your path to understanding truth. Contact Minhaj Publications www.minhaj.biz.